I spent the last 4 months creating content that made me exactly $0. Yeah, zero. But what if the next 7 days could completely change that? This isn't another how I made millions video. This is me completely stressed, broke, and trying to build something that could really work or completely fail. Let's be honest, we're all watching those gurus videos where they flex their Lambos and promise overnight success. Meanwhile, most of us are choosing either the coffee or the bus fare. But here's what those videos never show you: the actual process of building something sellable when you have zero budget, zero team, zero expensive software, and approximately zero free time. That's what today's video is actually about. And I hope I will be able to help at least one of you. By the end of this video, you will see exactly how I built a Notion-based digital product called the Creator's Vault that packages everything I know about content creation. Set it up on Whop, a platform that lets broke creators sell digital products without the tech headaches. Created a launch strategy that literally costs nothing, and set up the 7-day experiment documenting everything live. And I will show everything at the end of this. The clock is already ticking. In 7 days, we will know if this actually works or if I'm just completely wasting my time. I'm genuinely terrified. And before we dive in, we need to understand why am I actually doing this. And don't worry, this is not another 10 minutes video of absolutely nothing. I just want you guys to know my true, honest thoughts. And don't worry, it will be short. Creating that endless content with no monetization is actually pretty exhausting. I felt it. It's pretty hard to sustain. It's like running on that hamster wheel that actually gives you dopamine hits here and there, but no money. But a digital product, it's your knowledge packaged once, and that can sell while you sleep. Even if it makes only a few $100, that's the money. That's a few $100 that you never had. And the best part, the process of building, it teaches you more about your audience and values than months of random posting. That is the unfair advantage that no one talks about. Just building something forces you to get actually crystal clear on what you actually offer. So this is like a win-win. So what exactly did I build? The Creator's Vault. It is essentially my creator side of the brain entirely dumped into a Notion workspace. And it's got 3 main sections: viral scripts, hooks, 45 of them. 45 of the proven hooks to make someone actually stop the scrolling. For example, here's how to grow on social media. I deleted my top performing content and my views doubled. Here's why. So which one of these would you actually wait and watch? Obviously, the second one. The first one, you don't really connect, but the second one, it's actually story driven. You want to know why. There's like a curiosity that the creator has created. Creator has created. I'm getting creative at this. I like it. And the AI systems, not just the random prompts, complete workflows that turn one idea into multiple pieces of content. And trust me, AI has been a big part of my life. Most likely 75 to 90% of my life is completely AI. I'm very heavily dependent. Yeah, you can use it, but how good is your input correlates to how good the output you get. So unless you put the really good inputs, you are gonna get the generic output. And I've tried that on like 10 different AIs, and trust me on this, it's pretty hard to use it effectively. But here's the catch. I am not giving this all the details, like complete details here, because I'm actually trying to sell this thing. So this is like my product. So I will actually tease a little bit. It's not gonna be a zero value. I will give you something. For that, you have to stick until the end of this video. There will be something, don't worry. Now comes the scary part. Actually putting this thing up for sales. And I am personally using Whop because it's actually designed for creators like us, like especially me, because I don't really want to spend too much money, and Whop already has like one of the biggest marketplace for the buyers. So my product will be there even without me spending money on ads. And that's like a crucial part for me. I don't really want to spend too much money. Creating an account just takes literally 30 seconds. Your email and password and you're done. That's it. But here's what most people mess up: the product page. Your product title needs to be crystal clear about what problem it actually solves. That's why I went with the creator's vault, scripts, hooks, and AI mystery instead of something like my creator course or whatever it is. Nothing generic. For the description, there's a very simple formula. Describe their pain, creating endlessly with no results. Paint the after picture, content that gets engagement and income. Explain exactly what they get, like mine: 15 scripts, 45 hooks, AI system, plus there's some bonus. Like I said, just wait until the end. And now for the moment of truth, the pricing. And I want to be honest here. As a broke creator myself, I totally understand what it's like to not be able to afford those expensive courses that the other creators put it up there. I've been there. I still haven't spent like a huge amount of money on courses. I do want to, but I just don't have it. And I know most of us are in that space. But I also don't want to undervalue hundreds of hours of my experience. This isn't going to be $9.99, not $5.99, not even $2.99. Brace yourselves. It's just $97. That's it. And for the first 2 weeks, it'll just be $47. Not even 50 bucks. That's like not even a month of coffee. Not so expensive that other broke creators can't afford it, but also not that cheap or not free, like that undervalues my experience. Oh, I forgot to mention one thing. Whop has an insane feature called content rewards that literally pays other creators to make videos about their platform. They pay around 50 to 200 bucks to the creators about how to use the Whop and how to set it up and case studies. So I might even be able to get some money from this video that you're actually watching, even if my product doesn't sell a single copy. I've already applied and I will show you how much money this actually makes in part 3, because I obviously can't show the results while I'm shooting. It is super easy. Just go to Whop's website, find content rewards at the bottom, and just literally submit your video idea. You might even sell the product and you're getting paid. Maybe I might. Now the real challenge: getting people to actually buy my product. I've created what I call the PSV strategy: problem, solution, and value tease. I'm making few more short form contents that actually follows this strategy. Identify a specific creator problem. You're posting consistently but getting zero engagement. Provide one genuinely helpful solutions. Your hooks aren't pattern interrupts. Try this format instead. Tease that there's more value in the vault. I've got 44 more hook formulas in the creator vault. The key is that each piece of content gives real value first. It's very unlikely that someone will buy from someone that they haven't been provided with the value. I'm also thinking of doing something like an affiliate like kind of thing, that like asking other creators to promote my videos and get like a 30% cut or something like that. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Right now it's under the radar, but let's see how it goes. And everything is scheduled for the next 7 days to create those consistent touch points. Hopefully I can do this in 7 days because I'm a little busy right now and being a student is pretty hard. So I'll try my best to be on time. I apologize in advance if I'm late, but can I be real with you for a second? I almost didn't start this. I almost wasn't on my like digital products journey. I was up all night thinking like, who will even buy? Who am I even to sell anything? What if no one buys it? And the worst part is, what if others think that like I'm another wannabe guru? But the imposter syndrome is real. And then I realized like, unless I try, I will not even know if this will work or no. And maybe you're feeling the same way about your ideas. So I'm doing this experiment not just for me, but also for each one of us who are in this state, who are just starting out, Who will feel like an imposter doing this or doing anything, not just the creation, anything? I'm doing this for all of us. Next week's video is the moment of truth. I'm gonna be documenting everything. First 24 hours of sales, if any, which marketing pieces actually converted, total revenue breakdown, and complete transparency. I will lay out everything. What worked and what flopped. Or what actually fully flopped. Don't worry, I'll be fully transparent. Mark your calendar. Most likely, I'll put it on a Sunday night. Same time, same channel. This might actually be the video that changes how we even think about creator monetization. Because right now, when you're starting out, it's pretty hard to get monetized, especially on YouTube. Those 3,000 watch hours, 500 subscribers, or like those, I don't know, like 10 million source views. I'm not really sure. We'll think about that later, but let's try to build something on the side so we're actually feeling like we're actually doing something. Either way, you'll see it happen in real time. And 3 things before you go. First, drop a comment with Vault plus the niche that you liked from my Vault if you're interested in any of these, and I will share you one script totally for free from my bundle in the comments. Second, hit subscribe and hit the notification bell right now if you want to see if this experiment actually works. Don't miss the results video. It might actually save you months in trial and error. And if you're thinking of getting the Creators Vault, my product today, link is in my description. Remember, it's only $47 and you'll be supporting this crazy experiment. And I'm grateful. Even if you don't buy it, I'm grateful that you stick until the end. Thank you very much. Let's see if I can prove like even the broke creators can actually build something and monetize as soon as possible. I'll see you in the results video, and always remember, I'm watching from afar and I'm rooting for you.